Okay, we are ready to do the assessment for session 5 in our math tutoring on long division. I am giving Macy an assessment test regarding long division. 5 questions are multiple choice to where she's choosing the right answer for the division problem. The second section is matching, where she is choosing which math equation goes with the correct answer. And then the third section is true and false. She is telling me if the statement is true or false regarding the math equation. If the math equation states that the answer is correct, she circles true. If it is incorrect, she circles false. Okay? Then at the very end, wrapping up the assessment, is a word problem regarding review on using our manipulative of fake money and division. I have asked her to draw me a picture to explain what exactly the word problem is wanting and how she would solve that problem in her description. Okay, so Macy is going to start the assessment now, and we will, after she gets finished with the test, then we will review it with her and see how she did and how she come out with the tutoring session.
I'm done.
Did you say you're done, Macy?
Yeah.
Have you fully checked your work?
Mhm.
Have you fully drawn the pictures and represented all the word problems?
Mhm.
Okay. So we're going to review now our assessment with Macy and see how she did. Okay, on the multiple choice 1 through 5, she was able to get the first problem correct, the second problem correct, the third correct, the fourth correct, and the fifth correct. So it seems like that she understands how to divide a one-digit number. Matching, she got the first problem correct, second correct, third correct, fourth, and fifth on the first section. The next 5 will be first one's correct, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So she got all the matching correct, which is a great way to review or reflect on how well she's learned long division. And the true false. So if the problem is false, I'm going to ask Macy how she would transfer or make that problem true. Okay, so the first one is 6 divided by 6 is equal to what?
6 divided by 6 equals 1.
Equals 1 instead of 36, which I had on the sheet. She said false, so that one's correct. She got the second one true, that's correct. Oh, she missed one. Let's look at 12 divided by 144. Is that truly 14?
No.
It's not truly 14. So what is actually 12 divided by 144, Macy?
12.
It was 12. So she missed one on the true and false. Did you go back and check your work on that math?
I double checked, but I didn't catch it.
You didn't catch it. Okay. I always tell my math students to always check their math problems and but go back and double check their work. Number 29 is true. Number 30, 2 divided by 18, and that is false. So what would make that sentence true, Macy? 2 divided by 18
equals 9.
9. Okay. Now the word problem. If Jacob, Sue, and Macy collected a total of $78 for a fundraiser at school, how much money did each student bring into their individual classrooms? She was asked to solve the problem. She was asked to draw a picture and to explain how she got that. Okay? So she did an amazing job on her drawing. She actually used some of the skills that we learned today during our manipulative use and our task use in our tape diagram, which is really good, Macy. So she labeled each student and did a tape diagram with 3 different boxes. So she knew that there were 3 students and she had a total of $78. So she physically did a 10 frame, 2 10 frames on each student and put 6
cubes.
6 little cubes or 6 little units on each student. And then she also broke it down in a tape diagram to where she put 20, after she found out what each student was going to get equally, she found out that 26 and 26 and 26 was her number to equal 28 or 78. And she actually made a key down here at the bottom, which is really cool for the teacher to go back and notice that that's what she's representing, is the box is equal to 1 and the 10 frame is equal to 10. So that's a great job, Macy. The only thing I seen you did not do is do the division problem. So as we finish up with our review, I want Macy to complete that. She got the right answer, but I want to see how she works the division problem just to make sure that she knows the steps and knows how to work that. So she ended up working that. Can you tell me step by step on how you did this problem?
First, I thought, how many times can 3 go into 7? And then I knew that 3 can go into 7 without going over 2 times. And 3 times 2 equals 6, so I put the 6 under, and then I subtracted. And then I got 1, and then I brought down the 8. And then I said again, how many times can 3 go into 18? And I said, 3 can go to 18 evenly 6 times. So I put a 6 up above the bracket, and
In the what place value?
in the 1's place value.
The 1's place value.
And I put an 18 under the 18, and I minused it, and I got 0.
She minused it and she got 0. So Macy, can you tell me what the steps are in the strategy that we use with division?
Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and subtract again? Wait, no.
No, we bring
That was
down.
repeat and repeat.
Repeat, or you will have a remainder,
Yeah.
right?
If you have a remainder.
If you have a remainder, if necessary, you would repeat it.
Mhm.
All right. Well, this wraps up the assessment review and the assessment on Tutoring Session 5.